Yeah.
Supposed to log in. Go home. Don't that IP address change?
Alright, this might work. Ultra VNC, it has x64 version, compatible version, and Windows 7 compatibility. So, I mean, there's like, VNC is like totally freeware. It's developed by AT&T Labs and then given out to the internet to everyone. So there's like a million versions of it. Find the one that works for you. That's all I can say. I mean,
okay, it was real VNC
at the end of this class, more than anything,
and Ultra VNC.
honestly, I could say,
Yeah, you are. You in mine. Somebody's in mine.
Here's the name.
Cause
You guys will just go off on it.
that's you.
That's like, that's really what IT people do. You know, IT person just, you know, here's the name of something. You can search and research it and figure it out. VNC is one of those things. You know, VNC is completely free, open source. There's a million versions out there. Find one that works for you and enjoy it. Most desktop clients is the same exact thing. You know, before remote desktop clients, you're at this level. You know, after knowing about it, you're like way up here. You know, it's just, do you know about it? Do you not know about it? Firewall issues. This is where you're going to get into trouble. I really do not expect anyone to have any problems with VNC. I understand now when you guys run VNC and Windows 7, all that crap.
I guess we have to stop running it.
I like Windows 7, but anyway, that you are going to have some issues, maybe. So maybe Ultra VNC. I thought real VNC was the leader, but it turns out maybe not. I don't know. So maybe try Ultra VNC. Try another version of VNC. It's
Close that.
Whatever you got. You got a Mac. You got a Unix, Linux. I don't know. Yeah, no. You're running
That's
Mac.
it.
So sorry for you. Okay, so what I did not expect VNC to be a problem. I hope we past that now. Is everybody? Because if you don't raise your hand now, you're not past it.
Mine's still, how you boot it is still.
That's your computer. That's not VNC. What I might suggest is you get the concept.
Yeah, I understand.
But it's not as fancy.
You still have it. I really don't.
Yeah. So it's a way to use VNC without running the server. It's just a toned down version of the server. What it looks like. I'm guessing. But anyway, to connect to another person's computer. Okay, so there's two components to this. You got a server software and you have a client software. On pretty much most all software is set up that way. The server we just set up. The client we have.
Do we need to have a remote desktop enabled?
And the VNC viewer, you should just say things that I use to
Mine is
connect to
off.
other people's computer. That's all it is. You can test it on yourself by connecting to what?
I said you're on IP.
Oh, I'm going to do this. Does this make sense to most people in the room?
I'm gonna try what he's doing.
Look back. Look up. Or write it down right now. It just means myself. Connect to myself. I don't know if it'll work, but we'll try it.
It does.
192.0.01.
127.0.0.0.0.1.
It works.
Okay, I'm connected to myself, but I'm causing an infinite loop because I'm showing my self. It's like looking at a mirror with a mirror.
Disconnecting is trying to attempt now.
Okay, so we're not dizzy yet. Let's play that.
All that four if you have to.
Yeah. Okay, now that you connect to yourself, you know your server's working.
Time out.
I guess we should have done that. Maybe I should make this a lab. I'll write that for something.
Now that you connected to yourself.
Now that I'm connected to myself, I'm going to connect to another user.
I'm gonna put in my IP.
At this point, you are getting a partner and you are asking what's your IP address. I'm trusting that you set up your VNC server correctly. It's a great guessing check because if either of you have problems, it means that your partner or you don't have something set up properly. So then you just type in their IP address. Right,
I'm not getting mine to work.
any questions now? We feeling pretty good? No?
Cause she can get into my computer. Kenneth can too, but I can't get into hers.
Can you get into Kenneth?
No, I haven't tried his.
Try Kenneth real quick.
Got 50 at the end.
Where's Will Smith?
He's in.
50.
Yeah. Someone's in. Get out of there real quick. He's trying to get out of there.
Kenneth is
I'm working.
Oh, you're in Rico?
I think so.
Yeah, he's not on else, so yeah, he's working. He's fine.
Okay, it's not me. Sure, sir.
My sir.
If someone came next to you, what should be your first thought? Turn off the firewall.
I got it off.
Am I still in yours? I'm not in yours.
Come in mine.
I'm not in anyone.
Am I in yours? I'm wiggling the mouse.
Wait a minute, didn't Kenneth go? Didn't you go?
For that.
Next step, take that address, type it in a web browser. Question.
What if you have a router next to a modem? So the gateway is going to be a router or a modem?
No, a gateway is always the next closest router. A gateway is only a modem if that modem is in fact a modem plus a router put together. That's the only time. Your computer doesn't really care about the modem unless you're on like Time Warner Cable.
Yeah.
And all you have is like one computer, one modem, then you actually probably have a public IP address already and don't even worry about all this. And you're like out there.
I have a router connected to the modem.
If you have a router connected to the modem, you use this procedure right here.
Just go to the gateway of the router.
What now?
Just go to the gateway of the router.
Right. I believe so, yes. I mean, here's the thing. We need to know the address of your router. Forget modems at this point in time. I can't guarantee how you guys have your home set up, but you have to kind of figure that out on your own. And this setup isn't going to work for everyone. That's why I said start last week, because literally the first time you do this, it's going to blow your mind. The second time, down. Yeah. And that's how anything is.
No.
Once you figure out, you understand the whole modem, router, client PC,
2-7.
and I use this literally all the time on the job. All the time.
I'm in.
Okay, so anyway.
Okay, I don't know what these mean.
Figure
It's
out
just
your link
maybe I don't know.
IP address. I don't care how you do it. You have to have that. You can't operate without it. Honestly, this should be your router. Your link to this router. If you have a link to this router, this should be the IP address. You're ahead of us right now. Where did you see that from? No, I'm saying like how did you see this screenshot? Oh, you're at home, right? You took it, right? You're past it. Oh. All right. So now you've got your router. Oh God, I hate that. You've got your router's IP address. Type it into a web browser, just like they. That's why they're showing you Google right here. You type that. Make sense? So you need, of course, to check enable, but you need two ports, which are defined by the program you're using. If it's VNC, we know it's 5900 by default. If it's remote desktop connection, it is 3389 by default. If you don't know the port, what do?
Google it.
Google it. All right? Google, say, remote desktop port. And it'll probably, the first thing that'll come up, because 59 million IT people had the exact same question every other day. And so they type, remote desktop. I type